Okay, so today we are unboxing an Astro AI portable air compressor. There's front. There's the specs. There's some more details for you. First thing I'm noticing is it's got a car cigarette lighter type plug, not USB. I'm a little bummed about that. I was hoping it'd be a USB plug. But that's to be expected on these car chargers. They always have this car outlet, even though newer cars don't always have these. Okay. So that's it for the box. There's the compressor. The nozzle's got a so it's got a little carry handle here on top, and it's supposed to be a digital display. We'll take a look at that in a little bit once I get it plugged in. We got some tires that need filling, so I'm going to be able to try it out immediately. But here's the attachment for the car tires. It goes onto the end of the hose, because the hose on here is actually just a weird little nozzle. And then there's attachments. This is the car attachment, which, you know, obviously that's why I bought it. Then little Ziploc with all this stuff in it. Here's all the other nozzles, so you can inflate other things like, you know, air mattresses or pool inflatables or whatever, I guess. Because see, it's got the little flat nozzles in there, and it's got the wider ones. But I'm gonna be using this one the most, I can tell you that. Little thank you card. And then of course the instructions. Sorry, the sun's coming right up on me, so it's causing a little bit of a glare there. Yeah, pretty basic shit. The important part will be the test. We'll get a review on it, see how it works. Peace. Okay, so now we're in my car. Let's go ahead and get this thing all taken out and plugged in. I'm not going to be needing that right now. That's the bag with all the extra stuff. I do need this. Back in there. Too. Alright, so let's try to get a decent. Alright, well, I'm gonna get this set up and I'll be right back. Okay, so I untwisted the cord finally. Let's get this thing plugged in. Sorry. I'm gonna flip. Alright, so I'm gonna take this plug and this piece goes there. So, yeah, it looks like it's got threads, so it screws right on into the end of that. So we got that, and it's got the digital. So let's find out. Here's my magnet. You know, do some advertising for myself. Feel free to visit my website. Let's see if I can block it. Yeah, there you go. Nice. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Cord's a little tangled, but it's not. Yeah, okay. It was just wrapped around itself a little bit. No big deal. Alright. There it is. Let's yep, it instantly popped up with it 15. So you can see there's a plus and a negative and a menu. So let's go plus. I actually want 32.5 on these. I don't know. What am I pushing here? Oh, okay. Well, let's keep it on PSI. 32.5. So now how to, oh, there it is. So on the front here, got power button. It looks like a light. Yeah, okay, the light comes on. Cool. We don't need the light, we'll turn that off. Okay, so far so good. Doing pretty good. It's filling it up pretty fast. I mean, it's going a lot faster than the last air pump I used. That fill up a little bit. So it's almost done. Yep, it shut itself off when I at the PSI that I set it for. So far so good. I'm gonna go fill up 4 truck tires and I'll get back to you. Peace.